Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to hide apps and access them privately on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So let's say, for example, you want to hide an app. So in order to hide this app, you want to go ahead and bring down your home screen customization, tap on settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find hide apps on home screen and app screen. Go ahead and choose what app you want to hide. So for example, Amazon Shopping, done, and then press home. So now Amazon Shopping has been hidden. So as you can see, Amazon Shopping is nowhere to be seen as it's been hidden. However, say for example, now you want to access it. So now you have to go through the long way of basically unhiding it, opening up your home screen customization, going to settings, finding hide apps, and then here you need to go ahead and allow that. Now this is a really long way of hiding apps and unhiding apps. So let me show you how you can hide the app and also access them privately on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here we'll go ahead and hide Amazon app. Now we'll go ahead and press done. Now the next thing which we need to do is we need to go ahead and add it to our Edge panel. So as you can see, it's already been added to our Edge panel here. However, the Edge panel is visible to everyone. So we'll go ahead and make it like this, that's invisible, and we only know where the Edge panel can be accessed from. So in order to do this, go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, tap on settings, scroll down, find display, tap on this, scroll down again, and find the Edge panels. Now you want to go ahead and make sure this is on, tap on handles, and here you can go ahead and find the transparency, size, and the width. So you want to go ahead and make this completely transparent. You want to go ahead and make this small, and you want to go ahead and decrease the width. So as you can see, this is a small Edge panel here, and then go ahead and choose where you want your Edge panel to go. So now when you press home, you'll see that your Edge panel has disappeared, and you only know that the Edge panel is here. So using your left hand or your right hand, you can go ahead and bring down the Edge panel, and then you can go ahead and open up the hidden app which you've hidden. So like this, no one knows that you have the Edge panel enabled here, and like this, the Amazon app is hidden on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So this is a total privacy, so no one knows the apps are there, even if they have your phone. So there you go guys, that is how to hide apps and access them privately on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.